Hi, I'm Don Balance, and welcome to this demonstration of NewTek's 3Play. 3Play is a multi-channel, high-definition, standard definition, instant replay, slow motion, video record and playback system. It allows us to record up to 3 video signals simultaneously. While we're recording the signals, we can mark events that happened during the production, go back and play those events back at variable speeds, and change camera angles during playback. Yet we never stop recording the action. Let's go ahead and take a look at how 3Play works. The 3Play basically has 2 modes of operation. The 3-in, 1-out mode allows the 3Play operator to determine the camera angle that's going to be sent out as one video stream from the 3Play. In the 3-in, 3-out mode, the operator can determine which events are going to play and the speed at which they're going to play, but all 3 channels are sent out simultaneously. Here we can see the front of the 3Play, and this is where all of the audio and video is input and output from the device. We can bring in 3 video signals. Here's where our 3 video signals can come in, and if we're working with high definition video, we can bring those signals in either through SDI or through component. If we're working with standard definition video, we can bring those signals in component, composite, YC, or SDI. Now each incoming video signal also has 4 channels of audio associated to it. This can either be analog audio, it can be AES EBU audio, or embedded SDI audio. There's also a Genlock input that allows us to synchronize the 3Play with either bi-level or tri-level Genlock signals. The 3Play control surface allows us to start and stop the record process. It allows us to monitor any of the 3 incoming video signals. Gives us the ability to mark in and out points to create clips for later playback. We can control the speed of playback either with preset speeds, or we can dynamically ramp it with our T-bar. We have our transport section here, which allows us to control video playback with the normal play and stop controls, the ability to go back to our live inputs, the ability to jump through time either 1 or 2 seconds, and a jog shuttle for manually jogging through a clip. We also have the replay list section, and this allows me to manipulate the clips that we have set with our mark in and mark out points and set them up for instant replay and slow motion. This is the 3Play interface, and at the top of the interface we can see we have 3 preview monitors, and these monitors show us the 3 incoming video sources. Just below those 3 monitors we have a large output monitor, and below that we have 3 preview monitors that allow us to preview the 3 streams that were recorded for our event playback. Just to the right of that we have our replay list. This shows us all the events that we've marked and allows us to manipulate those events. To start our 3Play session, we'll hit the record button on our control surface. This starts the record button inside of our interface. We can see it's now highlighted in red. Now we're recording all 3 streams simultaneously. If I hit the live button on the control surface, we'll see that my output monitor in the interface now changes to the angle I have selected for my 3 incoming live video streams. I can preview all 3 of the live incoming video streams on the output monitor in the interface by hitting the 1, 2, and 3 buttons on the control surface. And you can see as I continue to hit these buttons that we're seeing the 3 different incoming video streams on our live output monitor in the interface. Now that I can see all of my 3 incoming video streams, I'm ready to start creating events for instant replay. Creating an event is as easy as hitting the Mark In button at the beginning of a play. Let the play unfold. We've got some action in this play that's great for slow motion. And at the end of the play, we hit the Mark Out button. You can see that this event is instantly in our replay list and ready for replay. Now, to play this clip back, we simply hit stop and play on our control surface. We can now see that the clip is playing back in our output window. And just below the output window, we can see all 3 camera angles available to us for this replay. Now we can start to control the speed of the clip either by using our preset speeds of 25, 33, 50, 75, or 100%. Here we're at 100. I can on the fly take it down to 25%, and while the clip is playing back, I can adjust it up to 33, up to 50, up to 75, and back up to 100%. Or I can use the T-bar to dynamically ramp the slow motion. and we can just as easily ramp it back up to full speed. We can also change the camera angle of our replay on the fly. Because all 3 video streams are recorded as one master clip, we have the ability to change between any of those 3 video streams during an event playback. We can see the 3 camera angles that are available to us on the 3 monitors just below our output window. And we can change those angles by hitting the 1, 2, and 3 buttons on our control surface. And we can see that changing in our center monitor. We also have the ability to determine what the default camera angle is going to be for an event playback. Because all 3 streams are recorded as one master clip, the 3Play needs to know which camera angle you want to use when you call up an event replay. As we look at the interface, we can see that each event has 3 buttons associated with it, and this is how we can determine what the default camera is going to be. Once we get several events in our replay list, we want to be able to get to the appropriate event very quickly and easily. And there are several ways for us to organize our workflow inside of 3Play. The first way to organize our list is to put comments on the events. Any selected event can instantly have a comment added to it. Once we have comments added to all of our events, we can now colorize the events. We can do this through our control surface, and these colors coordinate with the colors available to us in the tabs at the top of the replay list. Once we have our clips colorized, we can instantly sort these clips by going to the tabs, and only the clips that have been colorized to that associated color will show up in that tab. These tabs can also be renamed to further enhance the workflow. A very important element in sports production is the ability to do a highlight reel. In 3Play, I can simply select the elements that I want to use for my highlight reel. Once those elements are selected, I can go to the control surface, and I have a button specifically dedicated to playing back that highlight reel. I simply hit stop and hit play highlight reel, and my highlight reel begins to play. While the highlight reel is playing, I still have the ability to change speed of playback and to change camera angles. The 3Play also has the ability to export your events as video clips. To do this, we simply go to any of the tabs, and all of the clips color-coded to that tab will show up. We select the default camera angle that we want to export as our video clip. Now we simply hit the Export Tab button to export our video clips. Not only does the 3Play export your events from their default camera angles as video clips, but it also exports an EDL so we can use those clips in a nonlinear editor. This also makes the 3Play a great device for doing high-definition ISO camera recording. In addition to exporting the clips, we can also archive the entire 3Play session. We simply go to our administration screen, and here we have tools for both backing up and restoring full 3Play sessions. If you'd like more information on 3Play, or you'd like to get a personal demo, please visit your local NewTek reseller. You can find that reseller at NewTek.com. Thanks for watching.